Hello cousins, are you an alitas guisada person? Let me tell you, there is nothing that compares to an alita guisada gravy with white rice. That fat that renders off the skin creates magic sauce at the bottom of the pot. Let me show you how I make it. I'm working with 2 pounds of washed chicken wings that I cut at the joint, dividing the flat and the drum. I place my chopped wings in a bowl and I season with 2 tablespoons of sofrito, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, a tablespoon of olives and its juice, a tablespoon of oregano and adobo, and a splash of soy sauce. Toss to combine, and you don't even have to let it marinate. The flavors will come alive in the pot. In my pot going on medium-high heat, add in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Once heated, I'm going to brown a tablespoon of sugar and add in my wings. I let it sit for 3 minutes, then I toss. Look at that color. I add in half of a diced red onion. On this day, all I had was half of an orange bell pepper, so I diced that and in it went. I combined it, and in the same seasoning bowl, I added in 2.5 cups of water. Added in the seasoned water to the pot along with some fresh cilantro, and I covered my pot for 10 minutes on medium-high. At the end of those 10 minutes, I gave my wings a toss and I lowered the flame to medium and covered my pot for another 10 minutes. When the time is up, look at our wings. I swoon for alitas guisada. Sometimes I add a tablespoon of tomato paste to change up flavors, but on this day I went classic. Don't forget your Tupperware, cousin. Dinner is on me. Enjoy!